It's almost Labor Day. No. It's almost Memorial Day. Get your day straight. Anyway, it was 70 degrees a couple days ago, and now we have this kind of freaky late spring storm. And my plan was to hike up to a lake at about 8,000 feet that I've been looking at on Google Earth. But this little blizzard kind of put a kibosh on that. So plan B is to go hike down to a little creek I know of. You can hear it running down here. So we'll see what happens. Now normally I would come dry fly fish this creek in the summer months, but right now she's up and raging and it's gonna be really, really cold. So I brought the spinning rod. Probably should have brought some night crawlers, really. Well, beavers have that part of the creek corked off. Thought there might be some trout skis in here, but it's pretty shallow. We'll head downriver. Starting to snow again too, great. Ooh, baby. How deep is that? Not super deep, but be careful. Well, it's 26 degrees out here. Like I said, it was 70 degrees a couple days ago, so these conditions aren't exactly what you'd call ideal for trout fishing. A lot of these big swings in the barometric pressure are going to mess with their heads and my my catch rate. But again, today's the day I had to go, so I'm here. And in this cold water, these fish are going to be really lethargic. Already we have this change in the weather, which is going to mess with them. And then throw on top of it the fact that it's cold. So I'm going to dig in the box here and show you what I'm thinking. That's not it. So ideally in these conditions, probably a night crawler would be the hot ticket, but I don't have any of those with me. So the next best thing is probably going to be something big and flashy, bigger than you'd normally use in a little creek like this. Say like a number 6 Panther Martin, something shiny. You got to get their attention. You got to wake them up. They are feeling cold, lethargic. They're cold-blooded, so they're not moving around much. Probably not feeling great about the weather change, and so I got to wake them up. Nice little slow pool right here. Might be exactly what we're looking for. I love fishing this creek in the summertime when it's low and throwing hopper patterns, but they're not going to be coming to the surface today for sure. Ruh-roh. That is El Snaguito. This is not going to last long, and I can't really get over there. Oh, came off the stick. Phew, nice. Little confluence of two creeks. Nice deep slow pool. Perfect for cold weather trout skis. Let's see if anybody is home. Well, we might need to give them a little change up here. So let's try something else. Okay, switching to a super micro. Little 1/80th ounce marabou jig here. See if that's what they're looking for. This deep pocket way over there. Is that a little chaser? I don't know. I think I'm seeing things now. Okay, let's see here. Oh, yeah. Oh, there we go. He was a little fella, but there he is. All right, come here, little brookie. I mean, a little brookie. But that's cool. Hey, slow down. Oh, there he goes. All right, the skunk is off. You know, I just started thinking, now that it's snowing harder, they could shut the road down on me. So I think I'm gonna get out of here if I can. And jeez, dense brush there. Yeah, there's kind of a planted trout creek on the way home. Might hit that, or I may be just enjoying the heater of my truck too much at that point. So we'll see. I'll tell you what, for walking through the snow, the mud, like that right there, creeks, and all this kind of jazz. These suckers are the ticket right here. Bogs. Nice and warm, comfortable. You can hike in them. Feet stay super toasty. I was hoping for a little better fishing. Ooh, how deep is this? How deep and soft is the question. Ooh, baby. Ooh. Ooh, that feels dangerously close. Oh, I just felt cold water in the boot. Oh, a lot of cold water. Oh. As I was saying, I love these bogs, but this particular model I wouldn't get again because this guy right here got those little hand holders for pulling your boots on, which you don't need because these things slide on nice and easy. But that's the part, I forgot that I had those, and I was thinking I had up to here when I was crossing right there. But I hit the little port, and now my left foot's hating life. Well, I took the shortcut back, which is also the steep cut. And now I'm totally gassed. All right, almost back to the truck safely. A little out of breath, but that's all right. So snow at this point is lightened up a little bit, so that's a good sign. I will hopefully get over the pass. And then when we get to the next creek, we'll see where the motivation level lies. Yeah, baby. Let's hope we get over this hill. Oh boy. Good thing I'm getting out of here. Things are getting a little squirrely, a little funky. Ooh, this guy's sliding. Ay, 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 ay. All right, well, got over that mountain, barely. And I'm gonna hit this little creek. So I stopped here specifically because this little hole here, was it last spring or the year before? I can't remember, but there was a trout in here that I had a little dance with. And it was probably 5-pound rainbow or something. Hooked him, and then there's some sticks over there on the other side that he got into, so payback time. All right, switch back to the Panther Martin. Ooh, don't throw it in the trees. Look at those honkers. That was cool. Signs of love. That was definitely one of those, if they're not in this hole, they're probably not here type of deals, but I'm gonna push on just a little bit further. Yeah, it's dumping again. Probably time to get my butt home. But a couple more little spots I want to hit right here. If I can get back to the water. All right, this spot, it's a nice deep pool below waterfall, doesn't have fish in it. I'm definitely going to get a burger. A little bump, I don't know if that was a bump or a rock. That was kind of good though. Oh! There he was. Where'd he go? See that? It looked like a cutthroat. Dang it. There's another one around. Totally looked like a cutthroat, and he dropped off right there. Dang it. Oh! There was another one. All right. Some fish in here. What is going on with my hook? Oh, there he is. There we got that one. All right. Ooh. What is it?
Looks like a brown, maybe. Sweet. Awesome. Here we go. What is this one? That one is a brookie. Awesome. Little guy right there. New species.
Well, the spot's been cool. Totally worth the trip, but I think it's time to go. It's getting cold. Well, as I predicted, fishing was slow today. Get that cold front coming in, make the water cold. And it was a dramatic change from just a couple days ago too. Fish don't like that so much, but also highlights that persistence pays off, right? All right, made it back to the truck, and look at this. Just in the probably half hour that I've been gone, look how much it snowed. So I know I'm not the only kooky one who will go to great lengths to catch a couple fish. So in the comments section below, make me feel not so alone and tell me a couple of your stories too, would you? All right, thanks.